Now, derivation of value based on the market approach. So what have you done? Number one, you identified a comparable company. Number two, you identify the multiple that you will use for the purpose of valuation. Number three, you identified the areas of differences between the target company and the comparable company. Number four, you made the adjustment for the differences between the target company and the comparable company. Number five, you have normalized the earnings or the income for the purpose of valuation. Now, having done all these five steps, now you are ready for deriving value deriving value using the multiple method. तो आपने क्या किया, आपने पूरे 5 स्टेप्स कंप्लीट कर लिए. अब आपके सामने जो एबिडा का, अज्यूमिंग दैट यू आर यूजिंग दी एबिडा मल्टीपल, तो आपके सामने जो एबिडा का मल्टीपल है ऑफ योर टारगेट कंपनी, ऑफ योर कंपेरेबल कंपनी, तो वो जो एबिडा मल्टीपल आपने वर्कआउट किया, अब आप क्या करिए, मल्टीप्लाई दैट एबिडा मल्टीपल और मल्टीप्लाई दैट सेल्स multiple, or multiply that asset multiple, or multiply that customer multiple, or multiply that cement capacity multiple, or multiply that multiple per room cost multiple with the target company that you are trying to value with the respective parameter of this company, and this will help you to arrive value using the comparable company multiple method as per the market approach of the valuation. Would like to once again mention, please remember, under Index 113 there are three methods, three approaches of valuation mentioned: income approach, market approach, and the asset approach. Index 113 does not tell you as to which approach you have to use, and in which case it is all up to you as the valuation professional or as the company which is undergoing evaluation. But what it certainly prescribes, it prescribes three levels of input. And that means what? That means it says that first you use the level 1 input, and that is in case if you are a quoted company, if you are a listed company, then use the quoted price as the basis for valuation of your company. Then it prescribes level 2 input company, and level 2 input company meaning what? That is, in case if your company is not listed, you are an unlisted company, what you can do, you can find out a proxy listed company and make a comparison, follow these 5 steps that I have just 6 steps that I have just discussed with you, and then you would be able to derive the value of your target company. And in case if the list one, in case if your company is not listed, and number 2, you're not able to identify a proxy listed company, then what is the option that you have? Use the level 3 input. And what is the level 3 input? It means use unobservable data. That means what? That means use an information which is not available in the public domain, and that is where you come to the discounted cash flow method. And that is where you create the data, you create the information, you create the projected cash flow, you find out the cost of capital, and find out the intrinsic value of that company that you're trying to value. So this is how, friends, you will do the evaluation of a company using the market approach of valuation. I hope this makes sense, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And this has got the similarity
Uh-huh.
with reference to the market valuation for building.
Absolutely, sir. Sir,
Suppose you
sir,
cannot
बहुत बढ़िया,
a
बहुत बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी,
a
या,
एरिया, आपका लोकेलिटी, क्या उसमें प्लस करो या माइनस करो, वो प्लस माइनस का एक थ्योरी हम लोगों ने याद करके रखा था, भूल जाएगा.
हाँ हाँ
बड़ा आदमी को गरीब बना दो,
हाँ
पैसा वाला आदमी को गरीब बना दो,
हाँ
गरीब को